Here we have Grady. She's a 49-foot 8-inch semi-trad narrowboat. She was built in 1998 by Teddesley Boat Co on a shell from Les Allen. As you can see, the aft semi-trad deck is covered with a pram hood and the forward well deck is covered with a cratch board and covers. Propulsion is by an Isuzu 33 horsepower diesel engine, which was serviced in May 2025 and she was last blacked in March 26. So stepping in from the forward well deck, handy cupboard there for hanging wet clothing, into the saloon, bench seating, make 2 single berths, 6'6" by 2 foot. Dining table, conveniently folds up so you can walk through. Radiator, there's Alde gas central heating. And into the walk-through galley, microwave and under-counter fridge. Plenty of drawers. They've got child locks on them. Cupboard space, gas cooking. Fit out throughout is oak and the floor is engineered oak boarding. Laminate worktops. Hot water is heated by the engine, boiler and immersion. Into the shower room. Pump out toilet. Tiled shower cubicle. And again, cupboards and storage in this shower room. Into the bedroom at the aft. Permanent double, 6'4" by 4 foot, storage under. More hanging space and drawers. Electrics wise, you've got your 3 115 amp hour maintenance free cabin batteries, starter battery, and there's a Mastervolt 2 kilowatt inverter and a Mastervolt 35 amp charger. And out into the semi-trad deck. We'll just walk back through the boat. As you can see, she is in great condition. You wouldn't believe she's a 1998 boat. She's moored at one of our partner marinas in Northamptonshire. All the details are on our website, www.abnb.co.uk.